welcome to my channel, Life in High Definition. Thank you for being here today. Thank you to all my subscribers, new and old. I appreciate every one of you. And if you haven't quite subscribed to my channel yet, why not? Join the gang. Hit that subscribe button. That side, this side, I don't know. Everybody give me a thumbs up. Share this video with all your friends. And don't forget to hit that notification bell because I upload randomly. So you don't want to miss me. I try and be regular, but sometimes things aren't. Sometimes things are like buses. There you go. What are we doing today? Well, you've read the title of the video. This is my review of the Barry M Matte Me products. So if you want to see more, let's get into the video. You're going to see me in a couple of outfits because I've been reviewing them over a period of time, because that is the best way. I think that's the best way for me to really tell you what is happening with these products. You want to know how long they wear. You want to know, really, do they last? Is it just testing for an hour isn't really enough? This is the metallic and it's in the shade, I don't know what shade it is. I think shade Prestige, and this is the shade Runway. So I'm going to put on Prestige now and I'm going to tell you about it because, yeah, that's what we're here to do. Each one comes with a lip pencil and a corresponding lip colour. So I don't know if you can see, this one is shiny because it's metallic and the metallic colour. Today with this face, I don't know, I could kind of get away with going metallic, but because I've already recorded something metallic, I'm going to record something with this one. So here we are with the strobe cream. What I'm going to do is, you can see I've got the rest of my makeup on. I am going to do a demonstration of the lips, talk about them, and then put the strobe cream on at the end. And we can see, do we rate it? Do we hate it? Is it high def approved? So if you want to see what happens, you better keep on watching. Before you do that, don't forget, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, share this video with all your friends, and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Yay, because I need everyone I can get. Okay, let's get into the video. I can't really talk and do this. So this is what the applicator looks like. And the problem comes when you try and correct with fingers that have already got lipstick on. Okay, that is as good as it gets. We have our lipstick on. It's not a perfect application because basically I'm rubbish. I really like this because I don't like a matte lipstick that dries too quickly, because then you can't finish applying it and getting it where you want it. It dries so quickly, if you've made a mistake, it's stuck on your face and you've really got to struggle to clear it up or get it off. And lips feel too chalky. In fact, when I do this, it's already dry. Apart from right around the very edge, you know, so it's almost dry and I've almost finished it, and I've only, you know, it's been applied less than a minute. So but what was I going to say? Oh, when you do this, it's got the very slight chalkiness, but it doesn't feel too dry. It doesn't feel uncomfortable to wear on the lip. And what I really liked as I've been trying it out is I can like eat a bowl of cereal, drink a cup of tea, and barely see any change, like only if I'm looking really deeply. And the next time I tried it, I went out for dinner and we went to Pizza Express actually, and I had a whole meal of pasta, stuff, drinks, talking. I had a dessert, I had coffee, and it was really still there. Like a little bit in the bumhole area had worn, but it actually wore really, really well, considering that I had been doing all that stuff. So I do think it is a really good quality lip, and it's really cheap. These are like $5.99 each, I think. I was super impressed. So next I'm going to try the metallic lip, and I will insert that here. So the product I'm going to pop on my face right now and show you how it applies is this. It's the Barry M Matte Me Up Lip Kit in metallic. So I'm just going to pop them on we'll see what they look like. The instructions are to outline your lips with this, not fill the whole thing in. I don't know if I should, pardon me, I don't know if I should be doing metallic lip in the day, but like I've said in other videos, life is for living, not for waiting for something to happen to then wear a special lipstick. I'm so rubbish at lipstick application, so I apologise, it just takes me so long. But I'm really trying to do a good job for you guys, since this actually is about lips, so it would be pretty shocking if I didn't even try and make an effort. So it seems like the light is here to stay, so I have moved myself back and I'm gonna try and do it from here. So fingers crossed this works out, or I'll be recording again. It's the normal sort of doe foot applicator. Oh my goodness, bloody sun. Stressing me out, man. Right, normal doe foot applicator. I don't know if you can see on my lips really, but I can see in real life that there is a hint of metallic when you pop it on. There we go, can you see that? It's not just shine, it really is metallic. And a little bit goes a long way, including on my teeth. So it's like a first little coat. I mean, I haven't dipped back in, but that's just like, so that's like one dip, and you can go over it like a few times with one dip. But to be honest, it's not the lip product's fault that I have to go over it a few times. It's because I can't. Let's come a bit closer. It's because I'm not that great at applying lip stuff. But if I lean in, I actually really like it. I don't know how the rest of my look looks, but I can say lipstick tick. I'm liking it, and it doesn't dry too quickly, so I was able to like press my lips together without it being that horrible chalkiness. And I hate when you do it and it feels like you're scraping things against each other. They still feel natural. It feels really light on my lips. Right, that's fine. Look, it's not coming off, it's not going anywhere. So very excited to do the wear test on this one today. So I'm back for my wearing in test on this lip, this liquid lip metallic lip from Barry M. And from here you can see there's still colour on my lips, which is great. But if I've just put like a slick of lip gloss over, which I shouldn't have done it. I just wanted some moisture, because not because I've really felt dry, but just the corners of my mouth are dry because I've been eating and drinking and talking. But if I lean in, you can see it's patchy where there's still colour and where there isn't. And when this morning, so I've applied it twice today. This morning I applied it up initially with you, and then I had cereal and I had tea and I had water, and it was just the inner rim here that wasn't great. So I just topped that up a bit, went out again, and bearing in mind I didn't put any lip stuff down, I'm going to do that in my next one. I had tea, I had water, I had pizza, I had dough balls, I had dessert. So I ate a lot and I talked a lot. So it's pretty good that there's still this much colour. So like pretty much from here, I could get away with it. Like it looks like I've still got some colour on my lips. So I'm really happy. I think it lasts a long time. And yeah, I got a few compliments on it, which was nice. So yay for that. Back with the strobe and we will tie this all together. I got 24 karat in metallic. You get a lip liner, and I don't know if you can see, like there's a bit of metallic shift even on here, and of course you get your lip product. So I've lined my lips, and hopefully in the light you can see they're a bit shimmery. I've kind of got it all over, but it's quite, the 24 karat is quite subtle. So I just put it on. It's a normal doe foot applicator. And I find this colour, because it is kind of a neutral colour, I find it quite easy to apply. And you can layer it up somewhat, and you can get it on your teeth. So there we are. And it will dry down fairly quickly. I feel like it's kind of, so it's 24 karat, but I feel like it's quite a nice rose gold. I actually think it quite goes with my pinky look eyes today. even though it is a sort of matte lip, it really quickly dries down. It doesn't feel sort of drying on your lips. It almost feels like you've got nothing on them, which is really nice. And as I've been eating and drinking and doing stuff with lipstick on, I found that the lip stays really well. In this colour, you get a bit of butthole, but it's not terrible, just because it's so close to my natural lip colour, I guess. And you do get a bit of a rim, but it's not super pronounced. Like, you know, sometimes you get like that solid thick rim of colour and you're just like, it looks horrible. Yeah, I think it's nice. Look, just that tiniest bit, just for edges where it hasn't dried, but give it another 30 seconds and it'll be totally touch free, touch proof even. So yeah, this is 24 karat and I like it. So now you've seen what I have to say about the metallic lip. Basically, the products are high def approved and I am planning to get a few more because I really like the way they feel and I like the way they look. And even though this is kind of quite pink for me, I guess, I still enjoy it. Enjoy the way it makes me feel. So let's try this strobe cream out now. It's a little round one like this. The colour is iced bronze, which is more for my sort of skin tone. Let's just put it on here. I just blended this out and you can see it gives like just this slight shimmery wet look. So it's not super intense, but it is nice, like for a sort of like a, I don't know, everyday casual look. So let's get applying. You can be quite generous with this. A little bit up there, a little bit on the nose. That looks too weird now. To blend it in, but you do, because you do see a track. So you've got the sheen, but it's really mild, so you can't see it like head on, but you just catch the light and oh, look at my beautiful sheen on my face. So I really like this. For an everyday look, I think that is a good product to have in your collection, and I think it works well for me. My skin tone, I've got a shiny nose, because isn't that what we have? It's the Instagram look, right? But what do I think of these Barry M products? I like them. I really like the price. How much were they? I think, yeah, the lips were, I think, £5.99. Can't remember how much this strobe cream was, but I'll pop it on the screen. But I got it on a 3 for 2, so bargain. And yeah, I think they're really good. So this is just a little quick review for you guys so you can see whether you think you should buy them too. I would say they're high def approved. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you will catch me next time for another mini review, another unboxing, another anything I put on my channel. It's all here for you guys. So until next time, take care of each other and live every moment well, or as well as you can, as well as life will let you. Bye!